Somehow I feel just a little bit different today. A little frisky, a little soft, a little ready to play. I'm feeling perfect, I'm feeling fine. I feel like, was this a mistake, or is it all by design? You have gotta be kidding me, I think I figured it out. Am I a cat boy? Am I a cat boy now? Am I a cat boy? Am I a cat boy now? Well, that's just fine by me. Yes, it's fine by me now. Somehow I think this is all gonna be okay. I'm gonna lounge in the sun and take a few naps today. And then I'll have lots of snacks, run around and around. I'll get some love and attention, yeah, I like how that sounds. Cause I'm a cat boy, yeah, I think I'm a cat boy now. Am I a cat boy? Am I a cat boy now? Am I a cat boy? Am I a cat boy now? Well, that's just fine by me. Yes, it's fine by me. Meow. Here we are, cuddled up at the end of the day. Curled up on your lap, and I think this is where I'll stay. Yeah, this is all gonna be okay.